Introduction. Simplify your journey.
Traveling should be exciting, not stressful. In 2024, a variety of travel apps help you seamlessly plan your trips, manage bookings, and organize itineraries. Whether you travel for business or pleasure, having the right tools on your phone can make all the difference. Here are 5 top travel apps that ensure your next adventure is smooth and enjoyable.
1. Google Travel All-in-One Trip Planner.
Google Travel lets you organize your itineraries with ease. It gathers your reservations for flights, hotels, and activities in one convenient place. You can discover top sites, save ideas, track flight prices, and get personalized suggestions. With seamless integration across devices, Google Travel makes it simple to access plans anytime, anywhere.
2. Hopper. Find the best flight and hotel deals.
Hopper uses smart technology to predict the best times to book flights and hotels. It sends alerts when prices drop, allowing you to secure great deals. The app also helps with flexible date searches, alternative airport suggestions, and even price freeze options. For budget-conscious travelers, Hopper takes the guesswork out of booking and saves you money.
3. TripIt. Effortless itinerary organization.
TripIt keeps your trip details in one neat, shareable itinerary. Forward your booking confirmation emails, and TripIt automatically builds your schedule. Key travel information like hotel addresses and flight times is at your fingertips, online and offline. The app also sends real-time alerts about flight changes, making it a favorite for organized travelers.
4. Booking.com. Reliable accommodation finder.
Booking.com offers a vast selection of hotels, vacation rentals, and unique stays around the world. The app features flexible cancellation policies, verified guest reviews, and tailored search filters to suit your needs. Its secure booking process and extensive accommodation options make finding the perfect place to stay quick and worry-free.
5. Rome to Rio. Seamless route planning.
Rome to Rio specializes in mapping out how to get from point A to point B anywhere on the globe. Whether you want to travel by plane, train, ferry, or bus, Rome to Rio shows you all your options in seconds, complete with prices and schedules. It's ideal for multi-leg trips, ensuring you'll never feel lost between destinations.
Conclusion. Travel smarter in 2024.
With these essential travel apps, planning your next trip becomes easier and less stressful. From booking the best deals to organizing itineraries and navigating transportation, each app brings something valuable to the table. Download a few before your next adventure and enjoy smoother, more enjoyable travels in 2024.